client's order, 1 gallon yellow ribbon, semi-gloss latex mix. And 1 gallon, burnt orange semi-gloss latex mix, for today's video. Mixing 1 gallon, yellow ribbon. Mixing accomplished. Next, 1 gallon, burnt orange. Stir the paint well.
I keep hesitating, life it kept going wrong, kept going wrong. Stuck inside this cage you made for way too long, for way too long. Now I'm staring at the starlight, waiting for direction.
Mixing accomplished.
And this life it keep on crashing.
Please do subscribe to our channel for more paint mixing tutorial videos. Thank you for watching.
Until I'm on